Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let me ask you one simple question. When a customer buys a product from company, what exactly happens in the backend? How does SAP track everything from order till payment? So today we are going to understand the complete order to cash process in SAP SD step by step in a very simple and practical way. And trust me, if you understand this properly, your SAP SD basics will become super strong and this will help you to crack interviews as well. So let's get started. So first let's understand what is sales order management. So the sales order management is the process where company manages complete sales transaction starting from customer request till receiving the payment. In simple words, customer wants to buy something, company creates a sales order, goods are delivered, invoice is generated, payment is received. This full journey is called sales order management. Example, imagine you order a phone from online store, you place the order, they ship it, you receive the invoice, you pay. That's exactly what SAP tracks internally. Let's say agenda. So in today's video, we will cover what is OTC cycle, stages involved in OTC cycle, detailed explanation of each stage and real-time examples for better understanding. So by the end of the video, you will have complete clarity on OTC cycle. Then what is OTC cycle? So OTC stands for order to cash cycle. It is an end-to-end business process that starts from customer inquiry and ends at receiving payment from the customer. Also, this is very important integration point between SAP SD and SAP FI, that is finance. So the key flow is inquiry, quotation, sales order, delivery, PGI, billing and payment. Then we'll see stages in OTC cycle. There are four main stages, that is pre-sales activity, order processing, shipping and billing. Now let's go deep into each stage with example. First we'll see pre-sales activities, which nothing but the customer exploration phase. Okay, so pre-sales activities are the activities that happen before actual sales happen. Here customer is just exploring options, okay, so it includes inquiry, quotation, outline agreement, etc. Think of this like you go to the shop, ask what is price, do you have any discount, okay, that is nothing but the pre-sales phase. In pre-sales activity, first we'll see inquiry. So inquiry is a non-binding request from customer. Customer is just asking, not committing to buy. It contains customer details, material details, pricing info, delivery dates, shipping and billing info, etc. So to create inquiry, we are using T-code as a VA11 and standard inquiry type is IN. For example, customer asks, do you have 100 laptops? What is price? So there is no commitment, just information gathering. Then we'll see quotation. Means company gives offer. Quotation is the legal document given to customer. Now, company officially provides price and terms. So it contains pricing, delivery dates, billing details, validity period, etc. So to create quotation, we are using T-code as a VA21 and standard document type is QT. For example, company replies, we can give you 100 laptops at 50,000 each, valid for 15 days. Now this becomes a formal offer. Next we'll see outline agreement. Means nothing but the long-term deal. So outline agreement is the long-term agreement between customer and company, which is used when which means it is used when business happens regularly. There are two types of outline agreement, that is contract and scheduling agreement. So to create contract, we are using T-code as a VA41 and to create scheduling agreement, we are using T-code as a VA31. For example, a company agrees we will supply 1000 units every month for 1 year. So this avoids creating quotation every time. Okay. Next stage is order processing, means actual business starts. Now comes the most important step, sales order. This is where customer confirms purchase. So this sales order includes product details, quantity, pricing, delivery details, etc. So to create sales order, we are using T code as a VA01 and we are using type as a OR. For example, customer says, okay, I confirm, please send 100 laptops. Now system creates the sales order. Then next is delivery or shipping. This is nothing but the execution phase. Now company starts execution. Outbound delivery is created to manage the shipping. It includes picking, packing, transport arrangement, PGI, etc. So to create delivery, we are using delivery type as a VL01 N and standard delivery type is LF. Then important concept is PGI. Okay, so PGI means post good issue, means stock is reduced and ownership transferred to the customer, and then accounting entry is posted. Example, when courier takes product from warehouse, nothing but the PGI happens. Next is billing. Billing is where invoice is generated. It includes invoice creation, credit memo, debit memo, cancellation, FI integration, etc. So to create billing, we are using billing type as a VF01 and standard billing type is F2, which nothing but the customer receives the bill, total amount like 50 lakh, etc. Now finance comes into the picture. Here you can understand complete OTC flow. Okay. Now let's understand the full process like a story. See, customer contacts company. First we'll see pre-sales activity. Customer contacts company, raises inquiry, company gives you quotation. An agreement may happen. Okay. Then sales order is created in order processing stage. Then in order fulfillment stage, delivery is processed, goods are packed, shipped and PGI done. Then invoice is generated, customer makes the payment, cash is received, and that this completes the order to cash cycle. I will give you one more example. Let's take one simple story. You want to buy a phone. You ask store, nothing but the inquiry. Store gives you price. It's nothing but the quotation. You agree. Then sales company will place sales order. Then store ships your phone. That is nothing but the delivery. You get bill. That is nothing but the billing. Then you pay. Means payment. Done. That's OTC cycle. So today we understood complete OTC cycle, each stage in detail, real-time example along with SAP T course. This is one of the most important topics in SAP SD. If you found this video helpful, like this video, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel. And the next video I will show you live SAP system demo step by step